Namaskar, Joy Jagannath. I'm making this video in English because I just want to let the other peoples know about our culture, why we celebrate Raja, how we celebrate Raja, and the importance. It's a 3 days festival of womanhood celebration, and it's basically come during the mid of the June. It's in 14th, 15th, and 16th. And the second question is why we celebrate Raja. We believe that the divine wife of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mother Earth, she undergoes a menstrual cycle. So, respecting that, women in Odisha doesn't do any kind of housework. They don't even cook, and basically the things they do is to celebrate. I mean, we celebrate. We basically play the cards, playing Ludo, enjoying the pita, and we do lot of more things. So the first day of Raja is called Pohili Raja, second day of Raja is called Raja Sankranti, and the third day, I mean, the last day of Raja is called Bhumi Dahana. In those 3 days, we'll try not to hurt the Mother Earth, and the farmers are not even plow because she's on her periods. So we respect that. This is all about Raja, and now we will watch how we celebrate Raja here. This was not in a fully traditional way, but we enjoyed a lot.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be there forever? And if I let you go,
Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.